Right, boys. 14th November, the Thursday. We're doing pretty good. Bitcoin, we're still pumping up. It's up until proven otherwise. Um, just completely simplify it. Any flip of daily open or weekly open, just long that shit. Like, I was looking at Doge, and look, it's just giving us perfect retests. Here, 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 here. So yeah, we're doing it again. I might try and take a long, to be honest. Let's just see if we do come back down. Get on the 1 minute. Yeah, so we just went straight into this 1 minute demand, which is nice. To be honest, I'm expecting this to go a little bit higher for one more. But yeah, I actually had a long. I literally had a long. I think it was like here, and then it pumped, and then because it was like here, it was like 130. I was like, okay, let me put my stop to like break even, which was like here, and it wicked me out, and then I was just like with my girlfriend, and it just pumped. But you gotta manage that risk. Sometimes tightening your stop when you're trying to catch these big moves is like it's a win. It's a double-edged sword, unfortunately. But yeah, another thing that I'm looking at just trading at the moment is this Act, because Act and Peanut, they got Binance listings, yeah. So they're doing like crazy fucking candles in like an hour. So obviously I'm on like 5x, even 5x is crazy, but if you do see flip of daily opens and stuff, they can just pump 40%. But obviously you got to be careful with your leverage. Let's just look at the previous one down here. So look, yeah, flip of daily open, pump. Demand, support, pump. It's the same thing as happening here. And the same thing's happening here, but yeah, I know people don't really like the shitcoins too much, but I do think this Act thing has got like a god candle in it, like Peanut. Although it's probably kind of happened last night when I was looking at it. Maybe, maybe. Anyway, let's just have a look at the market quickly before Viking. Anyway, we'll leave them to do the main stuff, but let's just check on how things are going. VIX, yeah, daily close here would be incredible, incroyable. Pound, obviously dumping. Fuck the pound, fuck the UK. You know the drill. NQ, still at the highs. We love to see it. Not really much to say on this, to be honest. Could test Q4 on a pullback. But yeah, not really bank on it. DXY. Ah, boy. That's breaking out from this high here. So, this could probably go to 113. I would not be surprised now. If the weekly closes above 1067. But yeah, interesting stuff. We could get a wick here and then fail, but it's quite unlikely now. We just had a massive dump hit. 2 mil on the sell at 91.4k. But yeah, DXY, you know the drill. Do we have pre-market hours? I don't think I have the pre-market chart on. Yeah, again, same as the Nasdaq. Probably couldn't see Q4 retrace, but still up, still not losing levels. This would be the level to lose. Blush. Yep, still not lose. Might have bearishly retested the weekly open here and the daily open, to be honest, right now, but we'll see where it opens and stuff. Not really. These traditional and stuff are just going up until they break. Something interesting. Total. We need a weekly close above 2.83 trillion to confirm the breakout. But yeah, that looks good. Be watching that weekly close for sure. Bullishly retested it on the daily. I don't see why that can't just continue, which is why everyone's just thinking up only, up only. Let's see what total two's doing. Yeah, it just looks like ETH. Just looks like ETH. Last but not least, USDT dominance. Going for that Q2. To be honest, I would not be surprised to see this have one more go and then do the proper failure. But we don't need to do anything, to be honest. Bitcoin dominance. Yeah. 62.8. And then maybe want to see it fail. I don't know. This is just going to go up until ETH catches up. This ETH thing, I do think we're getting close to a resolution here. Obviously, there's nothing on the chart to say that we've turned the corner, but I really think it's highly likely that this will be it. And then even like something like that, and then yeah, alt season. Alt season is near. It's definitely near. What else? Couple more things, and then we'll slam some stuff in the chat, and we'll look at some charts, or we'll try to get a little few scalps because I've got a new setup. I've actually just got AI charting tools and bands and W's. That's it. Got no signals at the moment because I'm just doing retests of levels or wicking to the band, regains of levels. No. Yeah, Ninja, which I spoke about in the altcoin chat actually a couple months ago, which is the biggest coin on Injective, the biggest meme coin. I did hear just rumors, by the way, only rumors that it's going to get a Binance listing, which could actually happen because I think that Hippo coin, the Hippo meme coin on Sui, did it get? I think it got a listing as well. So definitely check this out if you have any Injective. Good morning, Everson. Good morning. Good morning. It's a low market cap. If you've got a few spare Injective, why not? I'm staking all my Injectives, so every like month I get like a few. So I've just been funneling it into Ninja. So it's not like I've outright bought like hundreds of dollars. But yeah. Let's just go back to stream and check the meme coins. Oh my god. Guys, meme coins are going crazy. Meme coins are actually going nuts. It's insane. So let's turn these on. Actually, let's turn those off. They're only for small time frames.
Another wave of memes.
Yeah, it's just they're just funneling into each other, aren't they? They're all cascading. But as you can see, like I was saying, I've stripped back my indicators at the moment. I do have Algo Master on this, so I can just check. Like, let's check Sundog on Algo Master. So yeah, we hit a buy here. This is actually quite nice. We had a buy here, came back down, support on November, pumped, reclaim weekly open, support, support. Just three longs, man. Oh, I was looking at Floki here. Let's look at a Sondog on this. Where's my indicators? There we go. Doesn't line up with a band on the 4. But yeah, there's a double wick in here. There's a double wick and a regain there, which is super strong stuff. So if you see that and it's like maybe these candles are here, you can just wait for a retest, which was here's the perfect retest. He even gave you a second one actually here, which wasn't as clear cut, but you got some bullish divergence and you probably got something on the 15-minute to go with it. Yeah, all of this. But yeah, not to be fair, you might have got stopped out. It does love to do this. Stop hunt and then go. So yeah. Let's what else? I've still got a Floki trade on from boy. When's my Floki entry? 1385. So all the way down here. Because as I said, flip a November and it just goes. But yeah. Anyway, let's look at some meme coins and you guys can let me know what you're trading. If you're looking at anything in particular. Still a bit ill, but we're chilling. We're chilling. So like on Floki, let's have a look. If we flip this daily open on an hourly close, or maybe a 4-hour close, this is probably going to go hit June. Easy. Although the risk to reward on this one, this specific one, while it's quite high and it's near demand, isn't that great. So I'm not sure if I'd take that. But let's get in the 3-minute and see if we can find any trades. Like we used to do. Ossak, near Earth. Bro, I've been looking at near Earth. Near Earth. I actually had a trade on this that got stopped for tiny, minuscule stop loss. Minuscule. But I think I longed it here. So like I pulled the trigger on all of this so early. It was like here. And then I got stopped here. And it went into this band, regained. But I was with my girlfriend. So like I wasn't on the charts. Or was it here? It might have been. It might have been here, then stopped me out on this wick because I had it tight just under November. But yeah, then did 15%, drill. I would not long this right now though, just because weekly open and the band. That looks nice though. We want to close with the band turning up. We haven't actually retested the daily open, so you can see that it was resistance, resistance, kind of resistance there. So it wouldn't be surprised me to see something like that just because it's untested and then possibly go. But let's go to the 15-minute. Oh, hello. Is that Egil's wife shouting at him?
Yeah, that's my wife shouting at me.
Classic. Oh, do you know what I was thinking,
Yeah,
guys? Do you know what I was thinking? I was talking to Zeus yesterday. I was like, so the MDX 100k party, are we just gonna have like a room for all the wives and the girlfriends to go and like make up or something? I don't know. Because surely they're not gonna be like just standing there while we all talk about crypto and stuff, looking bored. We need a wife room.
there we go. Solution. Huh?
Yeah. Need a wife room. What are we gonna put in there?
Uh, yeah, but yeah, just coming back on that Nero,
Oh yeah,
it might
sorry.
be a good idea to potentially put a bit of a limit order.
Yeah. When you play with limit honors, just remember to use a really low lev. I know you probably are on low lev with this sort of stuff, but
Yeah,
um,
2 or 3x normally if it comes to memes, nothing more.
yeah, 3x is nice. I actually use 5, but I get stopped out sometimes because my stops are like really tight because I don't want to. I just don't want to get dicked. But yeah, I mean, you can calculate your risk and just be like, okay,
Yeah,
I'm willing to lose 10% on this trade or whatever. But yeah, nah. Oh, Ponky
I
was
guess
another one.
depends on the data today, right?
On the
Because
what?
we have the data which will come out at half one. Got the PPI
Oh, we got PPI
half
today.
one, and Powell speaks at 8 p.m.
Okay, okay. Yeah,
So
so I mean, meme coins are going to do whatever they're going to do anyway, but Bitcoin will probably react to that, and the whole market will. Um, the reason I like meme coins is like it will do its move before Bitcoin will. Like if something wants to pump, it will just pump in an hour, and your move will be done before Bitcoin, even if it looks bearish, looks like it's going to dump, it will just do it. So, oh, yeah, sorry, go on, Nerov, yeah. Um, not looking to long this at the moment. To be honest, if we do break and flip this weekly open, I'll just instant long it, even though there's supply here. But yeah, especially on a 4 hour close, because then it'll probably just go up here or something, and it'll be an easy 10% pump.
gotcha.
Easy 10% to 1-1, and then probably 15 up to the band. And if you get a runner, you'll probably get a 35% trade, which is nice. So yeah, keep an eye on that. Um, yeah, let's talk about Pepe going crazy. So yeah, um, keep it simple right now, guys. So as I said, daily open, retest, pump. And what is this pump? This is on Pepe, which is a super high market cap. It's like 20%, bro, in an hour. It's actually insane. Like you can pull out some crazy numbers. You don't need crazy leverage on this. I've been trading on 5, and I'm even thinking it might be a bit too much. But yeah, Ossak about to reclaim daily. You love a bit of Ossak, Trumpy boy. It's your favorite coin, Ossak. Protocol. This is a shit coin, right? You know what? It's making me want to buy some because it's so new. Was it actually? Is this just when it came out on exchanges at the 1st of October, or is this actually like that new? Because if it is, bro, it's just meme coin super cycle, isn't it? Like I fumbled the bag at Act on 15 mil. I didn't buy Act at 15 mil market cap because I thought it was too high. Because I only like shit coins that are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mil. And then now it's fucking like 400 mil, bro. Oh, okay, 1 year. Okay, okay, okay. Maybe I should get another chart then. Or is this the only one? Uni ETH chart, fine. Um, Probably this one. Excuse me. Oh yeah, so let's just take the bands off so I can see better. God damn. So yeah, I think you said that you caught a long somewhere down here, if I remember. Um, we're finding some resistance on this swing high and this swing high. So just imagine we had like a box here. You probably know this already, innit? Yeah. Support on Q2. I mean, it's just farming out some higher highs and higher lows. Let's have a look at the hourly and turn on the bands. Yeah, double a wick into the band here. Um, just out of interest, how much is this? 7%, not too bad. Get a double reversal. I mean, you could, if you're trading this, you could long this daily open, and that'd be nice. Or the Q2 again, where the band is. The band's getting so tight, so I'm thinking this is probably going to break out soon, and it's probably going to break out to the upside. But when we break 387, I think when we break this supply, so couple daily closes above Q4 and June would be amazing. This is going to send. This is probably going to send. Yo, it's just holding so well as well. Kind of looks like Bitcoin a bit, but a bit better. Big dump, August, regain, bang. Actually, Bitcoin's going like that now, so yeah, Bitcoin before it fucking moons. This is gonna moon, and you're in low, aren't you? So good shit, good shit. Strong reclaim of weekly over Q4 should moon. Yeah, nice. You know the drill, brother. No need to complicate it these times. These times really just don't complicate your shit, honestly. And don't use high leverage unless you're like scalping on the 3 minute and you want to catch a runner, because you'll get stopped out and then your trade will go and you'll be like, ah. But yeah, Brett Q3. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful, mate. Still no perps. Yeah, I need some perps on that. The real cost of having a girlfriend. Yeah. It'll be alright though. There'll be a lot of crypto bro girls at the 100k parties that they'll just complain to each other. So, if we have no questions, I think what we're going to do is we're going to do a classic jack stream. We're going to go to the 1 minute and the 3 minute, and we're going to try and catch a trade. So I'm just going to flick through some charts and see if anything I like quickly, because I just woke up like half an hour ago, 45 minutes ago. Bro, look at these bands on grass. In the band, up to the EMA, 1.5%. Dump. In the band, up to the EMA, 2%. Up to the other band, 3%. Although I'm a bit scared to use 10x leverage on this. But money to be made. Act 1 minute. Nothing too sweet. Nothing too sweet there. What's Peanut doing? Peanut's dumping. Let's go. I'm going to set an alert for daily open. Or just above. 1.7. Alert that off. This thing moves like 5% in one candle. Let's go on a minute. Let's go on the 15 minute. No. Let's go on the back on the 3 minute. 10%. 1 hour, 45 minutes. Yeah, what's Shib doing? I feel like Shib's like kind of lagging a little bit. It's trying to get its weekly open. You know, as always, if we flip this, I don't know, we do have a low here. Mm, it's a bit, it's a bit uncertain. Although that was a nice test of June after reclaiming it. Yeah, I feel like it's lagging behind a little bit. It's probably due another go at Q2. Not really anything high probability there. What's Mog doing? Mog daily open retest possible. Definitely possible. That looks decent. Possibly something that I'd be interested in. See, what's the percentage from here to here? See, 2.5% is quite crazy. You just need to pick your spot. You'd kind because with things like this, so if the demand, if there was a demand zone slightly higher, like here, you could set orders and there would be like a 1%, 1.5%. But because the demand zone is so low down, I would not set orders on the daily open. I'd kind of wait for to see the price action to see if we hold it. Because with things like this, you could get daily open and it looks like it's going to hold, but then it just goes like that and then it regains. And then that's when you want a long. Whereas if the demand zone was like here, you could just get a wick and then, yeah. But we'll set an alert. Why not? 409. Just to see, just to see. Go. I actually had a trade on this, but also got stopped out. Because, like with all of these, I pulled the trigger way too early. I think it was like here. Was holding this daily open. Must have got wicked out here. Yeah, look. See, doesn't look like much, but it's 3.5%. So if I'm on 5x and I want to risk 10%, I'm getting stopped out when I'm like here. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, then it's sent. Of course it's sent. Exactly the same with Bohm. I might have to tell my girlfriend, no going out for dinner at this time in the bull market. Otherwise, I'm gonna pull the trigger too early on trades and then miss everything else. See, another perfect example of what I was saying is um, pump retest. You could long that, but it's not really that clear cut. Pump, watch to see it, regain. On this regain, this is a good long. And we're just testing supply and demand. Oh, it's so nice. So yeah, just get your auto charting tools on these shitcoins. Get your leverage super low and just have a little bit of fun. And if you catch a runner, mate, you will be chilling. Just like I've got, for all the stops that I've said, I've got a Floki trade that's 700% up, and it more than pays for that. All the stops that I'm getting, because the stops are just little amounts. And when I do hit one, and I de-risk it, and then it just goes and does like 50%, it'll be fine. Oh yeah, I think I could have been, I could have had like 10 winning trades because I had a trade on Popcat as well. I actually longed this weekly open here. I think it was around here. But to be fair, this is actually one that I should have got stopped out, and I'm happy that I did because I longed this. I literally had it at 1.5. I was like, yo, I got the bottom on this because we were pumping. And then it was like midnight, as you can see. Like here, it was midnight. I was like, let me put my stop at break even, which I did the same with Doge. And then did this. And then I was with my girlfriend this morning and I was traveling. And then it just went. This is 40%, by the way. 43%. Crazy. But yeah, you win some, you lose some. Sometimes you gotta take it and just believe that the next one you'll get 40% on 5x.
I caught that book of meme literally down at what was it? 0086.
8-6. Oh my god, what an entry.
Literally at that, but what was it? Is it just a 2x? I
What
didn't
an
put much and I
entry.
put it on a 2x, but I mean, I'm up 65%
Yeah,
since what, yesterday night or something?
yeah, great trade. Since yesterday morning, pretty much.
Or, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, like I said, I've got exactly the same story as my other trades. I longed this too early. I longed it here on May, and then must have got stopped out either here or there. 3.5% wick. But you know, if I was at my laptop, if I was at my setup here and I saw this, literally, if I just saw this, I would have just mega longed it. Because, bro, like, it can't get any
Yeah.
more clear cut than this.
On that one, I just put a
This,
first TP on 0131, which looks like a little bit of a resistance.
yeah, you got a tune up there.
Yeah, so just 25% off and leave rest for it to potentially run.
Have you taken some profit yet, though?
No, not yet.
If you look at this
That's
daily chart, I would maybe recommend taking just a bit, just to de-risk it, because we actually definitely could just do this again.
oh yeah,
Um, yeah, just a little bit, just to de-risk that, and then yeah, June, possibly higher, possibly April. But yeah, it
yeah,
looks good
because that,
because
that that June ties nicely with 1382 fib
yeah,
on the daily as well. So
and I think all Pepe profits are kind of going to Bohm as well. Like it's just gonna cycle in. Let me get rid of that. Some of these charts are just fucking insane. But yeah, I want to catch like a long malong on Brett because I think this once this breaks out of 1A1, it's gonna go insane. It's gonna go crazy. What's the market cap of this? Let me just check. Brett.
I was saying to myself when Brett was at, I think it was like 3 or 4 cents. Oh, maybe yeah, maybe I'll get it, but I was fairly new to memes and I didn't have that much trust into memes yet.
Mm,
Right? And then it started running, and I was like, I should have tried at least something.
mm.
But
It's got 1.6
yeah,
billion. Dodge is at 60. Pepe's at 10. So yeah, a little bit of room. It's actually fucking insane that like something like Peanut can just do 2 billion market cap, and I've got like I know everyone always says this. I've got some good projects, and they're just sitting down at like fucking 50 mil and stuff. Oh, gotta love crypto, don't you?
yeah.
You gotta love it. Let me just check the chat quickly. Yeah, you guys, we're chilling today. We're chilling. We've got Cycle in here. Hello, hello. Good evening. You got the green sparkly shoes now, not the red. Love to see it. Love to see it. Yeah, it's the fun part of the bull market. We got to enjoy it while it's here. When did this flip weekly open? 12 last night. Wait, where's the weekly open? Oh, it's down here. Tripping. What's the move on this? It's gonna be something wild. 30%. Hey, hey, hey. Something that's still lagging behind actually is dog runes. I kind of want to take this. There's a fib pocket that was in here, but I might just take this off. And we bounced off the 786 here, which is also Q4. So again, flip the weekly open, and we're gonna pump probably 15%. That's one I've been watching. I'm in drift at the moment. Peanut. Oh. Yeah, has anyone had any non-crypto people talk to them recently? I've had like, so I was talking to Zeus yesterday. We've had people that were in crypto, so knew about it last cycle, and either bought the top and just held their bag, or like we don't have completely new people asking us about it, but we do have people coming back to the market. And the reason why I think retail is coming back is just look at all these meme coin pumps. Look at all of it. You can just see that retail is coming back in this move. That's not to say that we can't keep going up, but um, let me just show you. I think I made a post in the chat the other day, and it was on this. So yeah, the last time we got up here, um, February to March 24, and we all know what happened then. We just topped out for a little bit. Um, but don't worry, this can stay up here for 27 days, for like a month. So, but we have see, this makes me actually a little bit like, it's the change in direction on the daily. And let me just show you this on the chart. Take it all off. Every time we get a change in direction, or nearly every time. So we did get a change of direction here, and a dump. So we just got a cooling off period. So we actually didn't get a dump there, but change of direction here. One last pump. This kind of just was a whole head and shoulders move, and then signaled the major top out. This is change of direction, dump. Doesn't look that big because the chart's quite squeezed, but yeah. Change of direction here, dump. Change of direction. To be honest, you can use it on the downside as well. Change direction here, dump. Change of direction here. I guess you can say that kind of dumped. Change of direction here, top. So you get the gist anyway. Um, yeah, it's a warning sign. It's not something I'm trading off of, but it's just something which is like, okay, we're near 100k. The euphoria is in the market. Um, Stable coins changing. Could be the pullback coming soon. But yeah, don't bank on it. But yeah, just a word of caution in these lovely pumpathon times. Look at Sundog, bro. What the fuck? I've had new people who have always encouraged to get in, finally interested. Okay, so yeah, I guess that kind of counts as a canary. I wouldn't say they're like brand new, because they knew about it before. Are they old, PMD? How old are we talking? Are we talking like 40, 50? We're talking like 30s. Because, yeah, I reckon the market's getting a bit hot. Hey, Jack, can you have a quick look at yours? Oh, yours is just unlucky to the yours holders. Oh my god. It's just not a fun ride for the US bag holders, isn't it? Let me just see. Yo, we're actually losing that swing on the weekly, which is so bad. I guess there's another one down here. Okay. Yeah, it's just all-time lows, brother. We've got some bullish divergence on the weekly. So if you're bag holding this, keep going. Keep going. Because it is going to pump. Like, there's no way that this weekly divergence is not going to play out at some point. But, my god. The chart looks wrecked, doesn't it? It's just not happy days. Not happy days for the bag holders. But, I mean, all I can say is just if you're bag holding this, just don't sell it now. You're just going to capitulate the bottom. Unless you like want to put it into something that you think's going to do way more. But anyway, even if this just goes like here, you're getting a 16x. So the RR is not bad. And the market cap's probably really low as well, isn't it? I don't know what it is, but it's probably like 20 or something tiny. 20s, 30s, but couldn't convince them until now. Okay, so they're young. Yeah. Yeah, see, I've had people like that as well. For example, people that I knew at uni that bought the top and they bought Doge at the top and now starting to come back. And then obviously they're seeing stuff like Peanut and Brett and, shit like that. So, market cap's about 30 bill. Sorry if my nose sounds blocked, because it is. Yeah, to be honest, man, Maz, there's not much to say on this. It's just fucking rip. RIP. But don't capitulate the bottom. I wonder if there's any bans on this. Yeah, see. I wonder if it ever will wake up. Rexy. The first sign of life would be to flip 8. Flip 9-0 on a weekly on a daily or a weekly time frame. And then you could be starting to cook something. But until then, it's DD dead. Unfortunately. So sorry. You must feel like an XRP holder. Although, actually, XRP holders feel a little bit better than US holders at the moment. I would not be surprised to see a pullback here. Back into this. Actually, you have a couple gaming tokens, but they're individual games. So I got some big time, which is actually on perps, which is funny. What's this doing? Yeah, just looks a little bit nothing. And I got some Maluvium, which also looks the same as like EOS and shit. Just wrecked. Although at least this is kind of gaining something. Go on, Illuvium. That still looks like a wreck chart for now, though. But yeah, big time and Illuvium. I don't have massive investments in them. I just like the look of the games. So Illuvium looks like some sort of play to earn Pokemon shit. And big time kind of looks like Fortnite. So I was like, oh, let me just buy few $100 or whatever. Yeah, anything. Mog didn't retest daily open. Okay. Sundog hit whatever that line is. I'm not even sure myself. It's probably a 4 hour swing from back here, yeah. Hitting resistance, hitting resistance. So yeah, just with things like this, if you're like anxious to get in a trade, just wait for a retest. Look, this actually looks shorty actually at the moment, even though the short button's banned. But that close is crazy, bearish. Um, See how it behaves on September. If not, I don't know what that swing is. Probably another 4 hour swing. Yeah, from there. That'd be a nice reclaim. 204 on Sundog.
Hey Jack, how's it going? Would it be possible to have a quick look at Sui and just see where would be a good buy level on some type of correction?
Yeah, for sure, man. Going to sleep so I can wake up for you, New York. Good night, cycle. Sweet dreams. Look at market cap. Oh my god. So this daily band's coming in around November, which would be nice, but I wouldn't bank on it. This just looks up until it's not. What kind of buy are you looking for? Are you looking for a trade or are you looking for a spot entry? Because if you're looking for a spot entry, I'd try get it on the weekly open, if possible. If you're looking for a trade, it's probably something in here quite soon. If we hold the daily.
No, I was thinking more spot entry to be fair.
Yeah, so trade. I actually might set an alert on this daily open just to see. Actually, I'm on the market cap. So yeah, spot. Hmm, Weekly open's not bad. Um, we have kind of tested and regained it though. Holding that would be good for upside. So, what's this? Actually, let me go to the price so I can talk prices. 3265, but for a spot entry, it's not really the one. Let's go on the weekly. See, with things like this, obviously you can say like November on a retrace would be ideal, but it just depends when we get it. And this is just blue sky breaking out, so it might not come back for you, mate. unless you want to chance a spot entry up here. I would say the possible areas of interest are here. So on this swing, if you drew a line, significant. November, if you got here, would be unreal, but I highly doubt that. And then if you're willing to buy a spot this high, weekly open. That's what I would say. If this holds here, 325-ish, it's just gonna pump. It's gonna keep going, and it's not gonna stop. It's a crazy chart. What's the market up to? Let me just look it up. Oh, nearly 10 bill. Jesus Christ. I think I got some Sui swap. What's Sui swap doing? It's 5 mil market cap. Bloody hell. Ooh, Pepe had a little dumperoo. I guess I'll set an alert for 208. It can't hurt. ACT as well. Breaking down a bit.
What you doing?
Aye, bagel. We're just chilling. This looks like it might be breaking down. What have you been looking at, bagel?
I just finished couple of hours support with user.
Who?
One of the bot guys. I have computer issues and it messes with the bots. So
Ah, I see, I see. Nice one, mate. I'm gonna get the bots going soon, I think. I just need to. Do you know, like, if you run. What's the KYC limit on BingX? Do you know? So, like, how much can you.
on what you mean
So,
for
like.
bot?
Yeah, so, like,
For
what's the
bot,
trading amount
the
and the
limit is
withdrawal amount?
0. If you're gonna use a bot, the limit is 0. You have to do KYC.
Oh,
It's
okay.
simple. Yeah. But that's the same on all exchanges. So you just have to choose one exchange and you do KYC on there, and that's where you do your botting, right?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Because
the reason why I have.
none of them will let you use an APY without knowing who you are.
Okay, makes sense. Yeah, exchange problems in the UK.
Yeah, if you didn't get a BitGet account before they closed it, then you're in deep shit, right?
I think I do have a BitGet account, but it's
Yeah.
might be compromised.
No, if you made it before, it should be good.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. See what happens here on near 8th. Near 8th. Naroth. This looks quite nice. Be nice if we get a little bit low on the momentum, but also, what's Pepe doing? A little bit lower. Could be a couple scalps coming. But yeah, I might as well stop my recording. Any more questions before I stop my recording? And then I'll just sit here for like 5-10 minutes and see if these trades come. If not, I'll shoot. What's Swift
Actually
doing?
thought that you had stopped your recording. That's why I talked.
Nah. You guys can talk, man. I'm more than
Yeah,
happy for
yeah,
you
yeah.
guys. I like it when you guys unmute your mic. And also, when
Yeah, but I like it more to talk when the recording is off, right? So it's more casual
yeah, no, I
and
get you. I get you.
no proof of what we say, right?
Yeah, right. Although it's quite funny when you watch some back and it's like, oh, that was funny. Like for example, yeah, I'm gonna message Max and be like, we need a girlfriend slash wife room in the 100K party. It's gotta be there. Gonna have like TVs of like I don't know what the fucking girls do nowadays. They watch like Love Island and shit. Married at First Sight.
That got to be UK girlfriend, sis.
Yeah, probably.
From
just put
Essex, mate.
just put the Love Island reruns on in the other room with some nail stuff.
That would be enough. That would be also enough to keep us away from them.
No, we'll be out getting absolutely smashed. Right. No more questions. I'm gonna stop the recording. Maybe sit here for like 5-10 minutes. Give my voice a rest. I'm a bit tired of hearing my voice at the moment.
Did you see my post about peanut?
Yeah, I did, man. Great buy. I wish I
Uh,
got some.
That's a good one.
I wish I got some, man. I was thinking about it. I was like, imagine you just bought every single fucking shitcoin. Surely you'd make money. Or would you not?
Yeah, but
Because you'd get
I
rugged
bought
so
it
many
because
times.
I saw it on TikTok, right? It was getting traction on TikTok.
Yeah.
That that Karen that reported peanut and they got the government came in and killed it, right?
Yeah, I mean, I saw the videos because Elon was reposting it, and he was like, the guy was being like, "Oh, he's an internet sensation. He was a lovely fucking squirrel," and then they just came in and murdered him, bro.
Yeah,
It was so peak. What a sad story.
just, and that was just like a Karen that didn't like him,
So
just
weird.
spoke. And I went in and bought it, and I posted it like the fifth, I think. It had like a perfect retrace too, down to the two-poster. Had like a initial push after the launch, and then right down to the pocket.
Mm-hmm.
What's Ninja?
Ninja,
Nonya,
none your business.
Nonya.
Wait, this is not it. What the fuck is that? Ninja's the biggest meme coin on Injective. Um, so yeah,
Yeah,
we
I
should.
didn't even know they had meme coins there.
Yeah, they do, baby. I'm hoping it's gonna do something nice for me.
I kind of lost faith in that Cosmos ecosystem.
Nah, Injective will come back. I think this is gonna hit three
I have
digits
quite
easy, bro.
quite a bit of funds tied up in staking there, but I feel stupid. It's like it's just going down and down and down.
Nah, I'm staking mine, and what I'm doing with my staking rewards every month is I'm funneling it into Ninja. So, and Ninja just pumped like 300%. So it's going pretty well. That's actually so far. I'm looking to sell my Injective at like 100 minimum. So I definitely think it's going to get there. It's just going through like a longer
Yeah,
cycle because it literally went first.
most of mine last winter, So,
Oh, you sold it? Oh, okay. Nah, I've still got my bag. I think this
no,
is.
I didn't sell. I bought it. I bought it back at the top there, so it's mine is negative, So
Oh, like here, yeah.
but of course, I just sit and wait, and it will come back, of course. But
Yeah,
it's
it will.
boring to sit and wait.
Nah, just stake it. You'll be good. Get some ninja. Get some ninja, and you'll be fine.
Atom is even worse. Atia, fuck's sake, that one is annoying.
What? Which one?
Tia,
Oh,
Celestia.
Tia. Yeah. Let's have a look. Down in the doldrums.
What's the deal with dot polka dot? Jack, what do you reckon? Why is it not pumped like Link and all the other guys? It's around
No
$5,
one's
I
using
think.
it anymore.
I don't. Yeah, I don't think anyone uses it. Right? Like, actually is pumping a little
They
bit, but
used to have a lot of funds tied up in there, but they moved on, right? Yeah, but it's not nothing compared to the other ones, right?
yeah. I mean,
This is just like,
coins from last cycle they struggle to do as well as the first cycle. There are obviously some outliers like Soul, who. Oh, hello, Mog. There are obviously some coins like Soul that get crazy
what should I
usage.
end?
Let's just watch this and just see how it reacts. This is why I don't like setting alerts on things like this because I want to see a wick up and the band to go straight. Um, yeah, I just don't think anyone uses dot. And for example, a lot of the other coins are kind of doing similar. No, like Link. Link's doing all right because it actually has a real world use case. Um, but
Yeah.
Ada, okay, Ada actually did pump recently. But Matic, what else is from last cycle? I can't even remember now. Matic's not doing that well, isn't it? I actually haven't checked the chart in ages. But yeah, I haven't really kept up with Dot because I bought Dot at like $4 last cycle, and I must have sold it at like 20 or something 30, and then I just never looked back. But the coins that do really well last cycle, the big ones like Matic, Ada, Dot, they'll struggle to make new all-time highs. Soul should be one of those coins, but it's actually not just because of the meme coins and the usage. But yeah, I don't really have a clear-cut answer for you, unfortunately. Let me stop.
Yeah,